even consumer grievance cell, where we will be addressing the issues of our consumers or even our any other persons along with our members, so that we will try to solve any small issues, so that we actually the end user can have the peace of mind, and we will be giving our helping hand to society. And we are developing our youth wing also. In the youth wing, next generation our members will be encouraged to understand about this industry, and moving forward with a great enthusiasm into the next activity. And we are having a committee for the media, PR, even the road shows, all these activities, a separate committee we are organizing. The most important is actually we are working on a building materials committee. This building materials committee actually works on working with the manufacturers, where we will get a better price with our bulk requirements. That is going to be the great support to our members in a reduction of the construction cost, so that we can give an affordable cost to the families. So to organize all these committees, actually our federation, CREDAI AP Federation, our office bearers and with our total managing committee members, we work in tandem, and we are going to have almost on a monthly basis various meetings, and moving forward with a very good secretariat, with a qualified staff, with technical advisors, and also to see that our building permission process also move forward with our having own committee on building approvals, because we, our CREDAI chapters, we try to have a technical team which will go scrutinize the files and propose to the local authority, so that the timeline will be reduced, so that once if we can save a 6 months timeline, that is going to be almost give a reduction of 5 to 10% of the construction cost, so because so much of finance cost is coming on the project. So all these committees and all this manpower support, actually we want to give the best support to the our in the building industry, and the end of the day, the CREDAI Andhra Pradesh to be the ideal and the most effective organizing CREDAI bodies in the country. And this, our tenure will be for the next 2 years.